Struggling with self-doubt? Discover 9 simple steps to build unshakable self-confidence and start living your best life today. Self-confidence is not something you are born with. It is a skill that can be developed over time. It's like planting a seed. You nurture it, give it time, and watch it grow. The journey to building self-confidence is gradual, but every small step you take brings you closer to becoming the best version of yourself. Let's explore some practical ways to build self-confidence, step by step. 1. Stop comparing yourself to others. One of the biggest obstacles to self-confidence is the habit of comparing yourself to others. Remember, everyone is on their own unique path. You have your own strengths, talents, and interests that make you special. Instead of looking at what others are doing, focus on your own journey. For example, if you're learning a new skill, don't compare your progress to someone who's been doing it for years. Celebrate your own milestones, no matter how small they may seem. 2. Take it one step at a time. Change doesn't happen overnight. Building self-confidence is a process, and it's important to be patient with yourself. On tough days, remind yourself that progress is still progress, even if it feels slow. For instance, if you're working on public speaking, start by speaking in front of a small group of friends before addressing a larger audience. Each step forward is a victory. 3. Engage in activities that bring you joy. Doing things that make you happy is a powerful way to build confidence. When you engage in activities that align with your passions, you nurture your soul and remind yourself of what you're capable of. Whether it's painting, dancing, cooking, or playing a sport, these activities help you connect with your inner self and boost your self-esteem. For example, if you love writing, start a journal or a blog. Seeing your thoughts come to life can be incredibly empowering. 4. Embrace and love yourself. Self-love is the foundation of self-confidence. Embrace who you are, flaws and all. Your worth is not defined by what others think of you. Practice positive self-talk and remind yourself of your strengths. For instance, if you make a mistake, instead of being harsh on yourself, say, "It's okay, I'm learning, and I'll do better next time." Treat yourself with the same kindness you would offer a friend. 5. Stand up for yourself. Prioritizing your needs and setting boundaries is a key part of building self-confidence. When you stand up for yourself, you send a message to your inner self that you matter. For example, if someone disrespects you, calmly but firmly let them know that their behavior is not acceptable. This not only strengthens your self-respect, but also earns the respect of others. 6. Learn to accept compliments gracefully. Many people struggle to accept compliments, often brushing them off or downplaying their achievements. Instead, try to accept compliments with gratitude. When someone praises you, simply say, "Thank you," and let their words reinforce your positive beliefs about yourself. For example, if someone compliments your presentation, take it as a sign that your hard work paid off. 7. Reflect on your experiences through journaling. Journaling is a powerful tool for self-reflection. By writing down your thoughts and experiences, you can process your emotions and track your growth. At the end of each day, take a few minutes to jot down what went well and what you learned. For instance, if you faced a challenging situation, write about how you handled it and what you can do differently next time. This practice helps you see how far you've come and builds confidence in your ability to overcome obstacles. 8. Practice self-love and forgiveness. Being kind to yourself is essential for building self-confidence. Forgive yourself for past mistakes and focus on what you can do better moving forward. Treat yourself with compassion, just as you would treat a loved one. For example, if you didn't achieve a goal, instead of dwelling on the failure, remind yourself that setbacks are part of the journey. Use the experience as a learning opportunity. 9. Celebrate small wins. Finally, take pride in your efforts, no matter how small they may seem. Every step forward is worth celebrating. Did you speak up in a meeting? Celebrate that. Did you try something new? Celebrate that too. These small wins add up over time and contribute to your overall sense of confidence. For example, if you've been working on improving your fitness, celebrate each workout you complete, even if it's just a short walk. Conclusion. Building self-confidence is a journey, not a destination. It's about taking small, consistent steps and being kind to yourself along the way. Remember, you are enough just as you are, and every effort you make brings you closer to becoming the confident, capable person you aspire to be. So, take a deep breath, embrace your uniqueness, and start your journey today. You've got this. If you found this video valuable, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and set the bell icon to all for notifications. Feel free to leave a respectful comment. Vulgar or inappropriate comments will be blocked. See you in the next video.